This is Ritesh Srinivasan and welcome to my channel. I woke up to this tweet of Hugging Face releasing Hugging Chat, the open source 30 billion parameter chatbot alternative to ChatGPT. So Jim Pham here says that the next step must be Hugging Chat apps because Hugging Face is in a great position to become the Android App Store. It has an edge over OpenAI because there are a lot of multimodal models already on Hugging Face. So they can think of something like OpenAI ChatGPT plugins. Okay. So in this article from TechCrunch, the details are present over here, which talks about the AI model driving Hugging Chat was developed by Open Assistant, a project by Leon. Okay. The German non-profit responsible for creating the data set with which Stable Diffusion came up, right? So Open Assistant aims to replicate ChatGPT. I've already tried out Open Assistant. You can also check out that, right? So let's look at this particular web interface from Hugging Chat. So I've already tried out some chat, different kinds of tasks. So let us go through over it, right? So this is based on the Open Assistant, which has been fine-tuned on Llama 30 billion parameters. Okay, so generated content may be inaccurate or false. So the first task which I looked at was writing an email introducing the product to your customers. I copied, some details on this particular car called Nexon EV, and it basically writes this email: subject, get ready for the future with our all new electric vehicle. So which is accurate. Then it says, dear valued customers, we are excited to announce the launch of our latest innovation, the all-electric variant of our popular compact SUV, the Tata Nexon EV. This state-of-art vehicle boasts impressive headline numbers, including this. Okay, but it kind of it is incomplete over here. So maybe we can try it out again because I think it works out well over here. Let's try it out again. Okay. Yes. Okay. So I'll say it's still generating it. Industry leading 8. Okay. I'll say the email is incomplete. Okay. It says I'm sorry about that. In certain cases, I see that, I say, can you generate complete email? Let's see if it works. Sometimes it doesn't respond. That's what I've seen. But you can actually try it out. Okay. So this time I'm testing out in the OpenAI assistant test. I was, kind of shifting context, but here I'm not shifting context. I am trying out different tasks. Okay. So for example, I tried out, this particular task of, assist me in developing Python code for a machine learning project. Then it asks like what specific task or problem we are trying to solve using machine learning. Then I say that I have a data in a CSV file, I have a target column and feature columns. Okay, then it says that do you want to pre-process your data set? I say yes, I want Python code for pre-processing the data set. Then it says that it gives this code, right? And it says let me know if there is anything else. Then I said I need to perform linear regression on target column. Then it gives this code, right, for linear regression using scikit-learn library. Then I say that test train split, it gives this code. So here it is maintaining context and then it is, giving the output, right? So this is one other use case which I tried. Then I said that, I wanted to see some programming problem. So I gave a traveling salesman problem and I said like, what is an optimal Python code for this problem, right? So I said that, a salesman needs to cover 10 cities. Cost associated with traveling is present as a 10 by 10 matrix. A salesman would need to start from a city and cover all remaining 9 cities. So basically traveling salesman problem. Then it says that the given problem involves finding shortest. So we can use dynamic programming, which involves breaking down, and then it gives half the problem. Then I say, what is the next step? It says, apologies for the incomplete response earlier. Let me resume where we left off. And then it gives me some functions, so on. But the thing is that, after some time, it just lost context, right? The same problem. I'm not changed the context or something. So after some time, it gave me some knapsack over here. Okay. So this model needs further training is what I have observed. Then I thought of a problem on, where was that? On, let's see, what is this? This is the knapsack problem. What is this? Okay, this was the knapsack problem. Okay. This was the machine learning problem. Okay, this was a text summarization which I tried out. So I gave some text and asked it for a summary. It could give a decent summary over here. So I like this particular output. Text summarization. This, okay. Then I asked about some kind of named entity recognition from some text, right? So it was pulling out some named entities over here. Not perfect, but something else. Okay. Then I gave a medical note and asked it to pull out some diseases and symptoms. So these are separate chats, so they are separate contexts. So here it was able to do it. Initially it said it could not understand what was required, and then I said like, okay, based on the provided medical notes, do this thing. So it is actually pulling out some kind of diagnosis over here. Again, it needs a lot of improvement, to make to be compared with ChatGPT. It needs a lot of improvement. But yeah, so Hugging Face. So this Hugging Chat is also available as an API. That's what I've understood from this particular article, saying that you can integrate with existing apps service via Hugging Face API. So I think as this model gets trained more and more with a lot of data, this would become comparable to ChatGPT in the future. Currently, it's a mixed bag. So you can go and check out Hugging Chat. I'll be putting the link to this, demo. You can check it out. If you like the video, please like, share, subscribe to the channel. See you in another video.